Hello, I'm Pilita and I'm so happy you're here today. Are you ready to learn? Let's get started. So, let's learn about the letter of the day. Today's letter is H. Do you remember what the letter H looks like? It looks like this. This is a big or capital H, and this is a little or lowercase h. Do you know what sound this letter H makes? Well, the sound it makes is the H sound. Can you make that sound with me? Let's do it a few times. Just try to do what I do. H, 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 H. Great! Let's look at this picture. We're going to look at this picture together again. And I want you to listen for the H sound we just learned as I read what the items are that we see. Only one of these things has the H sound. And if it's okay with your caregiver, touch the screen on the item when you hear the H sound. Ready? Here's the picture again. Here is a hat, a bat, and a cat. Again, we have a hat, bat, cat. Which of these has the H sound? That's right, the hat. Ha, 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 hat. So today we learned all about the H sound that the letter H makes. We have a lot more practice with this letter on our website, so make sure you check it out. Again, I'm Pilita. Go learn, be kind, and we'll see you next time. Bye!